Christmas. 5, 6, 7, 8, wait!
Layla Holiday, you are plumb crazy, girl. Why are we waiting?
So I can tell a story. It looks like I just got stuck. But let's think about my favorite time of year. Christmas.
Christmas? Layla Holiday, I don't think that's the word.
Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. Let's give it up, everybody, for my piano assistant, Roxanne.
I set some up and Layla knocks you out.
Jungle bells, jungle all the way.
It's Jingle Bells, sweetie.
Not in the throes of passion on a steamy Christmas Eve in Buffalo, it isn't. Proper time. Oh, Miss Lady, you there in the front. Where did you get that beautiful sweater?
This is Old Navy.
A rich lady coming in hot with the brand. I don't need one though, because Bo, the weather outside is fight feel, but the fire is so delightful.
One time I ran out of fuel and I ended up hitchhiking my way into a cold North Central Idaho. Don't play with fuel, boys and girls. You'll get burned.
Let's go, let it go. Draddle, 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 I made you out of shell.
You spin dreidels, Layla. Are you thinking of menorahs? Did you have a couple of drinks before the show?
Let's just say that the judge granted a divorce that I did not agree to. And after some kicking and screaming, I says to the bailiff, I says, "You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch." And then the bailiff or whoever stuck me with a tranquilizer.
When was this?
A 1 hour and 45 minutes before the show.
You must have been real mad. Did the tranquilizer help?
Like a Christmas miracle. That's okay though, because the absence makes the heart grow fonder. So someone tell my ex-husband's new wife that I'll be home for Christmas.
You good?
Crowd work time once more. Give me healthy balls of hurry. You, sir, you there. Oh my God, it's my lawyer, Larry H. Parker.
That's not my name. Larry H. Parker is dead. I keep telling you that.
You see, I had to call Larry after Frosty, the snowy morn, served me with divorce papers.
Layla Holiday sharp as a tack after a sudden divorce and court-ordered tranquilizers.
Now, if you pootsies don't mind, I need to take a brief intermission to join a Zoom real quick to enter a guilty plea, and then I need to order a Starbucks via Grubhub. Okay. Excuse me. I'll make you Larry.
That's not my name.
Go party, everybody. Layla's back in 15